I also bought these sneakers. I couldn't resist them. Look at those. Oh, those are fire! Those are fire! I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna try to look for. It's really simple, actually. I take this phone, I take this scanner, and I'm gonna find something really quick. Yeah, that's all. That's all.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows. East side, we ride, we fly way up, no breaks. No breaks. No breaks.
What's up, family? What's going on, guys? Look, I have a list here. So, as you can see, I have a list. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me hold it so you guys can see that. I have a list here. That is a list of ingredients, guys. I have a list of ingredients because I have some world-class chefs going to make me some homemade banana bread from scratch. This is gonna be so delicious. I can't wait. Guys, I buy from Trader Joe's like 100 bananas at a time. Look, I have about, I don't know, maybe 30 of them right here. 30 to 40 bananas, I'm assuming, like 30 to 40 of them going bad. They're overly ripe. Check them out. See, I don't know if you can see that. They're overly ripe, right? So when they get to that stage, I no longer like putting them in my smoothies. So yeah, I have world-class chefs going to make me some banana bread out of those bananas. I can't wait to taste them. It's actually my friend's mom and dad. They're like the best chefs you ever know. They just started their cooking channel on YouTube. And I know they just recently started their new YouTube channel. They've been cooking for many years and winning awards and just crushing it. They're like the best chefs. I mean, they'll beat Bobby Flay. So Bobby Flay, look out. Yeah, guys, so that is that, right? I have world-class chefs making me some banana bread. I can't wait. And like I said, it's actually my friend's mom and dad. My friend, that's like my brother. Can't really say friend. Like I told you, anybody that's my friend is really my family. I don't have friends, I have family. Yeah, guys, it's like my brother. His mom and dad's are gonna make me some homemade banana bread from that. They gave me a list of ingredients. I'm gonna go pick up the ingredients. I'm waiting for him to get here because we're gonna go together. But little does he know I'm gonna hit some retail arbitrage on him because he's always asked me like, man, I like what you do. And this is actually him pulling up. Check this out. I did not plan this. I did not plan this. He's actually pulling up right now. But I can't tell him that I'm about to do retail arbitrage. That is him behind me right now. What up, D? Hey, yo, you actually just pulled up on me. Oh, yeah? You pulled up on me when I actually vlogging. You just pulled up on me. I was telling about world-class chef, your mom and pops. Oh, yeah? Am I lying? Am I lying? Am I lying?
They're doing the most out here, man.
They're the best. They're the best. They're the best. So, hey, let me go put on my jacket, and we're going to go hit the store and get those ingredients. Hey, D, I'm coming right out, D. All right? And we're going to do some retail arbitrage. He don't know we about to do some retail arbitrage. I'm going to make him some money, though. He going to be happy about that. All right, family, let's go. Alright, family, so we did our shopping. We're in a bit of a rush. I told my bro I'm gonna show him some retail arbitrage real quick. We gotta make this really quick because he has a package coming. We gotta get back, so he has to get the package from his house. He doesn't want nobody messing with it. So we're gonna try to do this really fast. I'm gonna just try to come in here and find something really fast. Let's see how fast we can do this, D. Let's see, bro.
What are you trying to look for?
I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna try to look for. It's really simple, actually. I take this phone, I take this scanner, and I'm gonna find something really quick. Yeah, that's all. That's all. You see how much did I make today? Remember I opened the app? How much did I make today? $112 today I made with Amazon today. Those right there. Those are actually good products right there.
Sure.
Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you. So, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna open that scanner. I'm gonna scan this like this. Boom. This might be restricted. And then pop up. It's a little bit awkward that we're looking at these right now, but yeah, this is a restricted product. I'm gonna try another one. So let's open this up. Scan that. Let's see. Boom. Let me see. see. That one's restricted too. Alright, next to you. $270,000. That's a bad BSR. Real quick. Oh, these bacon boxes. I sold a lot of these in there, but that's open, so we don't want that. We don't want that. Try to find something real quick.
Take your time. Take your time.
No. Because it's all about the speed too. Actually, I like to show how you can find something in literally a couple minutes. What is it? $7.99. Did you see the color of the day today when we walked in? Did you see what color it was? Because if it's green, this might be a winner. I'm gonna ask one of the employees. So I'm gonna scan this. That pops up, right? $20. Used. 700,000 in kitchen. So that's a high BSR, but it's a good profits. But we don't want this. A high BSR. We don't. This guy right here. Oh, what's the quesadilla maker? This looks really good. Actually, is it broke? What's going on here? No, it's not broke. So I'm gonna actually type this in. Because this is a used item, guys. But everything's there. This is a used item, but it's looking really official. So I'm gonna type this in really quick. The El Paso. The El Paso. Gosh, no, it's not coming up. Try one. Quesadilla maker. Nope, it's not popping up. I know this is something. I just gotta actually like look for it. But I know this is something. We're gonna skip it. Come on, give me some news, give me some good money. Give me some money. What is this, a digital clock? Barcode on this? What's up with my scanner? See, my phone acting crazy today, guys. It's acting crazy today. Alright, this one popped up. Nope, not a good BSR though. See, I want this guy to pop up. Oh, that one. Alright guys, so the first thing I want you guys to visualize is come close to. Get that color. Green. Alright, so fam, let's walk through the cars. This time, what happened was I spent a little bit of money for myself. I'm not gonna lie, and but we did find something. And how long was we in there for?
Maybe 20
minutes, 30 minutes, right? We found this. I'm gonna show you. You know what? I ain't gonna show you guys right now what we found, but I found one item in there. I found more than one, but the other one I didn't get. That was gonna make me $70 profit. I just want to do a little bit more research on it to make sure it's not a third-party listing or category. So, but yeah, we found some stuff, man. We found some stuff. I'm gonna show you guys when I get to the house. Yeah, that fast. Is that quick? You see how quick that was, right, D?
Yeah.
Let's get it. Let's get it. We in the car right now. And I'm gonna show you guys what happened. I told D he needs to get on it. You know what I'm saying? D, why aren't you doing some Amazon selling right now, bro?
I don't know yet, man.
He ain't know yet, so he just got hit. He's seen it. He's like, yo, show me what's up. So now he's gonna go watch the videos and really learn how to do it. But I'm gonna show you guys really fast. I'm gonna show you guys. This is what I found. This is like a Bud Light Bluetooth cooler, like so you can put your beer in there with ice, and it's a cooler that plays music as well, bro. This is amazing, family. So yeah, I got it half off. So my profits on this is going to be $22.34. We weren't even in there for about, we were in there for about 20 minutes. So I made $22.24 in about 20 minutes, guys. Yeah. So yeah, that's like that. About a dollar a minute. About $1 a minute, pretty much. In there that quick, guys. Yeah. So that's what happened. Really fast. I showed him. I said, look, we're gonna find something for retail arbitrage. I'm gonna just show you how it works real quick. I guarantee I'm gonna find something, and I did. And there was other stuff in there too, but I gotta do some research on them when I get to the house. If you are new and you need to know how to do everything from beginning to end, all the links will be in the description below. Guys, go check out the other videos. Everything you need is there. At this point, I'm just showing you guys some stuff, some fun stuff. I'm just showing family. It's just all love right now, guys. So it's peace, it's love. We out. Peace. All right, family. I just got home. You guys seen what I found in like 20 minutes, that fast, just to show my bro how we get it in. That was really quick too. Like it was nothing. Made $22 and some change in 20 minutes, just about 20. It was honestly, it was sooner. We're just rounding it up to say 20 minutes when realistically it was probably around 17 minutes or so, something like that, right? I don't know, but really fast, guys. I also bought these sneakers. I couldn't resist them. Look at those. Oh, those are fire! Those are fire! Yeah, I couldn't resist those, guys. Like red is my favorite color, and it matches my jacket perfectly, so I couldn't resist. You know, I had to get my swag on a little bit. But nah, guys, for any of you guys that are new to this, just understand that right now I'm just living and having fun and just being here for my fam and still spreading, like, you know, like good vibes, good information to my fam. If you really need to know how to do something, you really need to know all the steps and what you need and how to send it in, all that other stuff, guys. All the links to the videos will be below this video in the description, guys. For everybody that's new, if you are not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, become a part of the family. We're almost at 10K. I'm gonna start doing giveaways soon. Change your life, man. Change your life. Start investing. Everybody can do this. Anyone can do this. I did that really fast. If you want to make a lot more money, then you got to do that times 10, guys. You know, hit multiple stores, look longer. Like, I did that really fast. There was probably other products in that store. I just was doing that really fast for you guys. And yeah, like, guys, it's that simple. Change your life. Yeah, fam. So at this point, you guys already know how I end it. It is peace and love. We out.